In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use a ChatGPT Chrome extension for faster help while you browse. We'll go from finding the extension in the Chrome Web Store all the way to using it directly on a web page to ask questions, summarize text, and improve your writing. The goal here is to make the extension useful in your day-to-day browsing while also staying careful about privacy and accuracy. First, open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for the ChatGPT extension shown in the video. Take your time on this part because search results can include several similar tools, and it's important to select the correct one. Before installing anything, confirm the developer name and carefully review the permissions the extension requests. This step matters more than most people realize. Permissions tell you what level of access the extension may have inside your browser, so it's worth slowing down and checking what it can read or modify. If anything seems excessive or unclear, don't ignore it. If everything looks right, click Add to Chrome and complete the installation. After that, pin the extension to your browser toolbar, so it's always easy to access. Pinning saves time and makes the tool much more convenient during regular browsing. Now open the extension from the toolbar. If it requires you to sign in, go ahead and do that before continuing. Once you're inside, you can start using it without leaving the web page you're currently on, which is one of the biggest advantages of this setup. For example, if you're reading an article, researching a topic, or reviewing instructions, you can ask the extension questions right from that page. You can also highlight text on the web page and ask for a summary or a simple explanation. That's especially helpful when a page is long, technical, or written in a way that's hard to understand quickly. The extension can also help you rewrite messages, draft responses, or generate ideas. Whether you're polishing an email, improving a short reply, or brainstorming content, these built-in writing features can save time and reduce friction. It's also a good idea to explore the extension's keyboard shortcuts and response settings. Shortcuts can speed up repeated tasks, and settings can help you adjust how responses are displayed or generated so the tool fits your workflow better. Finally, be careful not to enter confidential information into an extension you don't fully trust. And even when the answers seem confident, always verify important information using the original source. That extra check helps you stay accurate, informed, and secure while using AI in your browser. In